Okay, you want to step up your game for licensing success? Watch this video. Okay, you want to get a licensing deal, you want to up your game. You want to make sure that you can do it in such a way that companies are going to say, yes, this is what I want you to do. Number one, make sure when you are designing a product that you know the cost and your cost of your product when it gets to be manufactured and eventually hits the retail shelf is going to be lower than the similar products on the market. Those potential licensees are going to love that when you can say it's going to be lower cost than similar products on the market. That's a huge plus. If you can also make sure to show your idea in such a way that it requires no education, companies just get it. They're going to love that. The minute they have to provide education to the consumer about your product, they're not going to be wild about it. Those are two things that you should consider when you're picking ideas and when you're pitching ideas. Okay, here's the big one here. Companies are going to love this. If you can show your second sell sheet. Now that first sell sheet we talk about has your product, a big picture of it, your one-line benefit statement, maybe some of the features, and of course your contact information. That's your big sell sheet that you show to a company to get interest. But make a second one. That's right, do a second one and show your product, how it stacks up against the competition. This is going to sell for you. It's going to show them why your product is better, your point of difference. Just do a chart that compares yours against the similar products on the market. Okay, I talked about costs for just a minute, and everybody's like, Steve, I don't know what my product's going to be manufactured. I don't know the cost. What do I do? All right, you can find a contract manufacturer here in the United States and have them give you a quote. Pretty simple, so you kind of know it. Now, realize it's going to be more expensive to manufacture here in the United States than overseas. Everybody knows that, but don't worry about it. If you can provide some type of idea of what it's going to cost the manufacturer, you're making it easier for these companies to say yes. So let's recap real quick. If you can create a product that's less cost than the similar ideas on the market, much, much better. If you can create a product that's easy to demonstrate, that people just get it instantly, better, better, better. If you can provide them with information that they can see the whole market, all the similar ideas, and your idea stands out because it has more features, is better, whatever it is, show the chart of why yours is different, why yours is better, and that's a great tool to show your point of difference and to sell for you, and know the cost of what your product is going to be manufactured. They're going to love that. You guys, today, you have to up your game a little bit because you're dealing with these companies that are looking at a lot of ideas. You have to stand out. This is how you up your game, up your licensing game to get the deals. Now, I know I just threw out a lot of stuff to you, and I know a lot of you are getting probably a little bit frustrated, a little bit I would say a little bit, discouraged. And if you need help and you want us to take your idea and make sure we can get it to the right companies, because at InventRight, we've been doing this for 25 years, educating you through all these videos, all these articles, but for the first time, we're actually doing more work. We have relationships with all these companies around the world, and we can make those connections for you. We can make sure your product gets in front of the right people with the right marketing material. And when those conversations start to happen, you're going to answer all the right questions. We can help you do all of it behind the scenes. They don't even know we're there. You're going to absolutely love how well we do this because we've been doing it for so long. If you want the guys that are the best at this, please consider us to help you. This new program, I'm going to be talking a lot about it now, is called Gateway, where we connect you with companies that are looking for ideas and make sure yours is a good fit, and we take all the work and we do it all ourselves to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, this is Stephen Key. Thanks for watching this video. So if you're going to up your game, do all these things I talked about, and if you want to even up it even further, consider us to help you connect with companies to get the licensing deal that you desperately want and need and deserve.